I'm watching.
Go slide, bud. Go get on your slide.
Good job.
I see you. Look at him climb up. Way to go, big boy. Almost, what, 14 months old and already climbing up and sliding down. Let's go, Archer.
Let's see that slide.
You have grass all over your face, too. Slide, Archer.
Here you go, Roy.
You just gonna sit up there, bud? You slide? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you can slide down backwards. Go, Archer. Go get him. Go get him. Yay! Good job.